If you want to install an SSL certificate on GoDaddy and do it quickly without confusion, this step-by-step guide is going to walk you through the exact process. Whether you're setting up a new website, improving security, or making sure your visitors see that trusted padlock in the browser, this is one of the most important things you can do for your site. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then sign in to your account. You'll need to use the account that manages the hosting plan for the website you want to secure. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and related services in one place. Click My Products to continue. Next, scroll down until you find your web hosting plan. Under that section, click Manage. This takes you into the hosting management area for your site, where you can access the tools needed to work with SSL. After that, you'll see an option for cPanel Admin. Click cPanel Admin to open your hosting control panel. If you've never used cPanel before, don't worry. It's basically the dashboard that lets you manage different parts of your web hosting environment. Now, inside cPanel, look for the SSL/TLS Status tool. This is the section that shows the current security status for your domain and lets you apply SSL settings. Click SSL/TLS Status to open it. Once you're there, you should see the option to run AutoSSL. This is the key step that automatically searches for eligible domains and installs or renews the SSL certificate for you. Click Run AutoSSL and let the process begin. Depending on your hosting setup, it may take a few moments for the system to verify your domain and apply the certificate. While it runs, just wait for the confirmation message to appear. After AutoSSL finishes, your website should now be using HTTPS, which means your traffic is encrypted and your visitors will see a more secure connection. If you want to double-check everything, open your website in a new tab and look for the padlock icon in the browser address bar. That's usually the quickest sign that your SSL certificate is working correctly. If you don't see the padlock right away, give it a little time and refresh the page, because sometimes DNS or certificate changes can take a short while to fully update. And that's it. You've now installed SSL on GoDaddy using the hosting and cPanel tools. This is a simple but important step for protecting your site, improving trust, and making your website look more professional. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.